Hello students, let's do some more questions on trigonometry. The first one is, if tan A plus cot A equals to 4, then tan की power 4A plus cot की power 4A is equals to 4. Options are given. Now what is given? Tan A plus cot A equals to 4. Squaring both sides, we have tan A plus cot A whole square is equals to 4 whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. We have tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 times tan A into cot A, and which is equals to 4 square 16. बच्चे, if we write tan square A or we write tan A whole square, both are same things. Now tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into tan A. What is cot A? Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So cot A can be written as 1 by tan A, and this is equals to 16. Tan square A plus cot square A equals to, take 2 on the right hand side, 16 minus 2. So tan square A plus cot square A is 14. But we need the value of tan की power 4A plus cot की power 4A. Again squaring both sides. We have tan square A plus cot square A whole square equals to 14 square. A plus B whole square, tan square A whole square, tan की power 4A plus cot की power 4A plus 2 into tan square A into cot square A, and 14 square is 196. So we have tan की power 4A plus cot की power 4A plus 2 times tan square A into cot is reciprocal of tan. Cot square A can be written as 1 by tan square A, and this is equals to 196. Tan square A both get cancelled. Tan की power 4A plus cot की power 4A equals to, take this 2 on the right hand side, 196 minus 2. So tan power 4A plus cot की power 4A is equals to 194. This is our answer. So which is the correct option? Option B is our correct option. If sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, we have to find the value of sin की power 4 theta plus cos की power 4 theta. In the previous question, we had done tan की power 4 theta plus cot की power 4 theta. But we won't do this question like the previous one, because tan and cot are reciprocal. Is the case same in case of sin and cos? Cos and sin are not the reciprocal of each other. Now, how will we do this question? Bache, what is a square plus b square? Do we have any formula for a square plus b square? A square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. How? What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab, and we have minus 2ab, both get cancelled. What is left? A square plus b square. In the same way, how we can write a की power 4 plus b की power 4? A की power 4 plus b की power 4 can be written as a square plus b square whole square minus 2 times a square b square. A square plus b square whole square, a की power 4 plus b की power 4 plus 2 times a square b square minus 2 times a square b square. What will left? A की power 4 plus b की power 4. So we have to find the value of sin की power 4 theta plus cos की power 4 theta. And this can be written as, If we take sin theta as A and cos theta as B, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta. Clear? Now, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? We have an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So, 1 whole square minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta. Now, what is sin square theta into cos square theta? We have given sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0. This is given. Squaring both sides. We have sin theta minus cos theta whole square equals to 0 square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times sin theta cos theta equals to 0. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We take 2 on the right hand side. 1 equals to 2 times sin theta cos theta. Take this 2 on the left hand side. 1 by 2 equals to sin theta cos theta. Take this value f. We can write sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta as 1 square is 1 minus 2 times sin square theta into cos square theta. We can write it as sin theta cos theta whole square. 1 minus 2 into sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2 whole square. We have 1 minus 2 into 1 by 4. That is 1 minus 1 by 2. Take 2 LCM. 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 is our answer. So the value of sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta is 1 by 2. So option C is our correct option. If sin x plus cos sec x is equals to 2, we have to find the value of sin की पावर 19x plus cos sec की पावर 20x. We don't know the formula for sin की पावर 19 or cos sec की पावर 20. What will we do? What is given? Sin x plus cos sec x. This is equals to 2. What is cos sec? Reciprocal of sin. Cos sec x is reciprocal of sin x. So, in place of cos sec x, we write 1 upon sin x. This is equals to 2. Take sin x LCM. Sin x into sin x. Sin square x or sin x का whole square. One and the same thing. Plus 1 is equals to 2. Take this sin x on the right hand side. We have sin square x plus 1 equals to 2 times sin x. Take this 2 times sin x to the left hand side. We have sin square x plus 1. We can write 1 as 1 का whole square. 1 whole square is also 1. Minus 2 times sin x. This is equals to 0. But say, what is a square plus b square minus 2ab? This is a minus b whole square. We have sin square x plus 1 square minus 2. We can write 2 into 1 into sin x. So this is a minus b whole square. So we can write sin x minus 1 whole square and this is equals to 0. If sin x minus 1 whole square equals to 0, square root both sides. Square root of 0 is 0 and sin x equals to 1. Now what is the value of cos sec x? 1 by sin x. That is 1 by 1. So cos sec x is also 1. Now we have to find the value of sin की पावर 19x plus cos sec की पावर 20x. Sin x is 1. 1 की पावर 19 plus cos sec x is again 1. 1 की पावर 19 1. 1 की पावर 20 1 into 1 into 1, multiply 20 times. We will get 1. 1 plus 1. 2 is our answer. So, option C is the correct option. Tan square A equals to 1 plus 2 times tan square B. Then what is the value of cos square A upon cos square B? Now, बच्चे, what is given? Tan square A is equals to 1 plus 2 times tan square B. This is B. Now, we know if we add equals to equals, then the wholes are also equal. What we do? We add 1 on both sides, left hand side and right hand side. If we add 1 in the left hand side and 1 in the right hand side, the wholes are again equal. We can write 1 plus tan square A equals to 1 plus again 1 plus 2 tan square B. We have 1 plus tan square A equals to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 times tan square B. 1 plus tan square A equals to, take 2 common. What is left? 1 plus tan square B. Actually, we have identity 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So, what is 1 plus tan square A? Sec square A equals to 2 times sec square B. We have to find the value of cos square A. So, sec square A upon sec square B. We have bring this sec square B on the left hand side equals to 2. Now, what is sec square A? 1 upon cos square A. Sec is reciprocal of cos upon 1 upon cos square B equals to 2. 1 by cos square A into cos square B upon 1 is equals to 2. So, cos square B upon cos square A is 2. We can write it as 2 by 1. But we have to find the value of cos square A upon cos square B. Cos square A upon cos square B will be equals to reciprocal of 2 by 1, which is 1 by 2. So, which is correct option? Option B is our correct option. 2 times sin square beta minus tan square beta equals to 0. This is given. Then what is beta? 0 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree or 30 degree. Now what is given? 2 times sin square beta equals to tan square beta. We have taken this tan square beta on the right hand side. Now keep 2 on the left hand side. Take sin square beta on the right hand side. This sin square beta will come in the denominator. Now what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. So 2 equals to sin square beta upon cos square beta. And we have another sin square beta in the denominator. This sin square beta and sin square beta get cancelled. So 2 equals to 1 upon cos sec square beta. Now what will be the value of beta? Actually we know cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Clear? Cos, we have sec square beta. If we write in case of cos, so 2 equals to 1 upon cos square beta. And what is the value of cos square beta? 1 by 2. Take cos square beta on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. So cos beta square root both sides equals to 1 by root 2. If we do square root of 1 by 2 whole, square root of 1 is 1. We will get 1 by root 2. So which value of cos is 1 by root 2? Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So we can write cos beta equals to, in place of 1 by root 2, we can write cos 45 degree. Equate cos to cos. We won't cancel it. Equate cos with cos. What is the value of beta? 45 degree is the beta. So option C is our correct option. Sin A in terms of cot A. Do we have any relation in sin and cot? We know cot A equals to cos A upon sin A. But there is a relation between cot and cosec. And what is cosec? Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Now we have relation between cot and cosec. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Clear? What will be the value of cosec theta? Square root of 1 plus cot square theta. This is cosec theta. Now we have to find the value of sin theta. Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosec theta. So we have cosec theta in the form of cot as 1 plus cot square theta whole under root. So sin theta will be 1 upon cosec 1 plus cot square theta. This is the value of sin theta. This is, we have written sin theta in the form of cot theta. You have to write in form of A. So we can write sin A 1 plus cot square A. So which is our correct option? Option C is our correct option. If sin theta minus cos theta equals to 3 by 5, we have to find the value of sin theta into cos theta. What is given? Sin theta minus cos theta equals to 3 by 5. Squaring both sides. We have sin theta minus cos theta whole square. You won't do sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square equals to 3 by 5 whole square. And what is A minus B whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we have sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times sin theta into cos theta. 3 whole square is 9 by 5 whole square is 25. We have an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 minus 2 times sin theta cos theta is equals to 9 by 25. Take 9 by 25 on the left hand side and 2 times sin theta cos theta on the right hand side. 9 by 25 is positive in the right hand side. Take it on the left hand side. We will subtract 9 by 25 from 1 and equals to 2 times sin theta cos theta. 1 minus 9 by 25. Take 25 LCM. 25 minus 9 equals to 2 times sin theta cos theta. We have 16 by 25 equals to 2 times sin theta cos theta. We have to find the value of sin theta into cos theta. Take 2 on the left hand side. It is multiplied with sin theta cos theta. Here it will be come in the denominator. 2 8s are 16. So the value of sin theta into cos theta is 8 by 25. So option B is correct option.